Step with me behind the velvet curtain at Moldai Studios to see the preparations we are making for the Scarborough Streets Festival.
As preparations quietly unfold for the Scarborough Streets Weekend, the studio begins to take on the air of a Victorian stage set. The stereoscope stands ready like a seasoned performer awaiting its cue, poised with the calm confidence of something that has seen audiences come and go. Around it lies its supporting cast of stereo cards, each one a tiny proscenium arch opening onto Scarborough's hidden corners and quiet stories. There's a certain magic in arranging these scenes before an event. They whisper of promenades, harbours, misty mornings and grand old buildings, each patiently awaiting its moment in the spotlight. During the festival, the stereoscope will take centre stage once more, inviting visitors to peer through its lenses and step, quite literally, into another world. Step inside, the show is about to begin.